How to make an international transfer on Scotia Bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can make international transfer on Scotia Bank. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guide. In order to transfer money internationally on Scotia Bank, first of all, you need to log in into your online banking or mobile banking account of Scotia. So after you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on the home page, you can see right at the bottom there are multiple tabs, and from the list you need to click on transfer button. After you click on transfer button, next page you'll be able to see two different sections, that is make a transfer and manage contact. So you'll need to select make a transfer. Under it you need to click on send money internationally. After you've done that, you need to select from where you actually want to transfer the money internationally, whether it be to your bank deposit or your cash pickup or any of these information. I'm going to be transferring money through my bank deposit. Once I've done that, next page you'll need to go through all of these terms and conditions. So after you've gone through it, and if you agree to the terms and conditions, mark on the box and click on the continue button in the bottom right corner of your screen. On the other page, you need to enter in the details regarding the recipient as well as your contact. So first of all, you need to select the recipient details. So click on the arrow icon next to the to button. After you've selected the recipient details, now you need to select from which account you want to transfer the money. So tap on it and then select. Now you also need to select the purpose of the transaction. Enter the amount that you're sending to this particular person or the contact. After done entering the amount, click on the continue button located right at the bottom. Next page, go through all of these necessary details. If you're sure about the information, then slide the button. And in order to complete this procedure, click on the finish button. And here you go, that transaction has been successful. In this way, you can transfer money internationally on Scotia Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.